Do you want this? Well, you have come to the right video, but before we start, make sure to watch the previous tutorial to learn how to do the tile rotate transition and admire Hinata's adorable face lol.
Well, you heard the strange narrator guy. So this video is basically a tutorial on how to do the 3D cube transition on Alight Motion. So let's get started. So firstly, you want to duplicate two clips or images you have got in the project and arrange them like this. Now go to the first image/clip and click on the bottom one, and then go to effects. Then go to blur and click on the normal blur or whatever. Choose a desired strength, and now go to the second clip of the first one and now add effect. Then go select 3D cube. Now zoom out your cube so it'll look like this. Go to the cube and B orientation, apply 2 keyframes. On the second keyframe, apply orientation 67. Or the round must look like this, like a turning effect or something like that or whatever. Now keep 2 keyframes to the side. Now go to graph and enable overshoot. Copy my graph. It must look like this. Now go to the second clip, the bottom clip of the other one, and now do the same with the other. Or just copy the effect from the last one and then paste it over here. And yeah. Now go to the other second clip on the top, on the very top, and zoom it out just like the first clip. Now go to cube, B orientation, apply 2 keyframes. So now go to the first keyframe. Now apply minus degrees of the same you applied on the first clip or whatever. I'm not sure if I'm making much sense here. It's hard to explain all the things here, but I don't know. Now it must look like this. It's a bit laggy right now, but it'll be better soon. Now let's give it a little spice. Go to the first clip's bottom clip and then enable tiles. Crop it to a desired form and enable mirror. So now do the same with the other clip. Second clue. I don't know how I'm making sense, but I think this is just how I explain. Go to movement transform, the first option. Apply 2 keyframes. On the second keyframe, do a little slight transition or whatever. So like pull it to the side, and then for the second clip, bottom clip, do the same, but except on the first keyframe, and do it and slide it to the opposite side of the first clip. Yeah. Now slide the keyframes to both of the ends, and now apply a graph. Now yeah. Now copy my graph. I don't like this graph, so I'll change it to a different one. But to make it look more appealing to the eye, I'll just give it the same graph as the cube graph. And quick reminder, these are parts where I just mess up a little and just playing around and messing it up. Yeah, you know. But whatever, just copy the graph of the cube and yeah. Okay, it must look like this. It's more smoother if I like slide it. Now just export it and it'll be much smoother. Alright, let's see our ending results. Wow, that really looks good, doesn't it? And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful. Hope you learned how to do this and admired Kageyama's handsome face.
Oh hello there, I'm back, I'm strange narrator of this strange video. I'm here to do the intro and outro cause some crazy woman hired me just to do this stupid job. Big diet at 06E9569 edge vinig 7 voice out soft puck puck ho 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 bodja fists.